In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Zillow 2026 full guide. Accessing your Zillow account on a desktop is the key to managing saved homes, tracking zestimates, and keeping an eye on rental applications. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can sign in smoothly and securely. First, get your browser ready. Open a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and make sure your internet connection is active. If a page seems to stall while loading, a quick refresh with the F5 key often does the trick. Before you type anything, confirm you're on the official Zillow site. Look for the zillow.com domain in the address bar and check for the padlock icon, which indicates a secure, encrypted connection. This simple check helps protect you from phishing pages that mimic the real site. Next, navigate to the sign-in page. The fastest route is to type https://www.zillow.com user asked sign in directly into your address bar and press enter. If you're already on the homepage, you can also click the sign in button in the top right corner. Both paths lead to the same secure login screen. Now enter your credentials. In the email field, type the address you used when you registered for Zillow, and watch out for stray spaces before or after the text, which can cause login errors. In the password field, remember that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. If you're in a private setting, use the show password toggle to confirm you've typed everything correctly. This small step can prevent lockouts caused by repeated typos. If you prefer a faster route, Zillow supports one-tap authentication in 2026. You can choose continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. Selecting any of these links your social profile to your Zillow account, which streamlines future sign-ins on the same browser. When everything looks good, click the sign-in button. If you see an error, double-check that caps lock isn't on, and make sure your email and password are entered exactly as intended. If you can't recall your password, click the Forgot Your Password link to receive a reset code by email and follow the prompts to set a new one. You'll know you're in when your profile icon or your initials appear in the top right corner of the dashboard. That's it. You're signed in and ready to continue your home search, monitor zestimates, or manage your listings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.